Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we have my first unboxing video of this giant box that I received from a good dealer friend of mine over in Germany, and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. So I hope you enjoy, and if you do, give it a like and don't forget to comment and subscribe. So without further ado, we'll open the box. It's going to be quite difficult to do this with one hand. You don't want to damage anything either, so find a way in. It's very well packaged, as you can imagine. Looking forward to seeing what is inside. Half the video is going to be this box getting opened, I think. It's even nice, pretty short. This cardboard's quite thick. Packaging. Here we go, we're getting there now. Okay, first thing we have is around. Doesn't really want to turn around. There's some sort of documents written on a typewriter. To get that all research, political testament maybe. Focus. So I'll have to look for that one, see what that one's all about. Oh. Yes, we got some small newspaper. Radio Illustrate. Just a picture of a policeman on there. Next up, another newspaper. Something to do with the English. Kriegsmarine newspaper. A little bit damaged, unfortunately, but given the age, 1944. Another Kriegsmarine one. What we got next? Sort of a newsletter, information booklet. Not too sure exactly about that. It's just something with the postal system, perhaps. Again, I haven't really researched any of these yet, so obviously not too sure everything I was getting. Right, next one. Hilfmit. This is sort of to do with the younger generation Germans. female to do with the National Socialist Women's sector. Newspaper on that, or newsletter on that. Radio magazine. The radio magazine. Another radio magazine. It's got the Brandenburg Gate on. Big rally going on there. We have again another radio magazine there. A mouse. And the final radio magazine. Oh no, there's one more. The Funk Echo. Right, what have we got next? Articles here. 1937. I think, if I remember rightly, this was something to do with laws in Germany. German law. I can't quite remember. Next one. I think this is photos from pictures from the First World War. Yeah, something to do with the First World War. I think I remember this. To do with the battles. I quite like these books because of all the pictures. I can't really read that much German, but they definitely have a lot of nice illustrations and photographs that you don't normally see. I like these ones, medical ones. How they're really being used to train the nurses and the doctors of the Red Cross. How to do all the different ways to bandage and things like that. Next one. Luftwaffe book. Again, I think this is. I got this because of all the pictures. Just things you don't see every day on the telly and stuff like that. I do hope that this video does look alright to watch. It is my first attempt at one of these, and I'm just using my phone, so let's see how it goes. Next one, it's got a U-boat on the front. I think again has lots of pictures in. Maybe not so many. Not as many as I would like anyway. Just the next one. So these are German house books. And these were just given or bought by every German household, or the majority of them, I believe. Again, I need to do some further research on quite a bit of this because I'm not too sure on everything. So you have a look properly at it all. So the first one, slightly different. Pretty good. The German girls. I think if I remember the songs, it's a songbook for the German girls. The Mädchen. Changed a little bit there. As was what happened when they wanted to keep things after the war, but they didn't want anyone thinking anything of them. More packaging. And on to the next one. Should I do? Let's have a look at this one. Again, most of the time I just buy these because of the pictures. So, right, there you go. Nice. Do the war illustrations and photographs. Definitely the ones I quite like the most. They're definitely worth watching out for if you see them at any of the fairs that you might go to around the world, or car boots, things like that. They're worth picking up just to own, and they're not expensive. I don't pay much for these. Not too sure what that one's about. German machinery and then something to do with machines anyway. These are World War One ones, or produced after World War One. Post World War One, before World War Two. Thing is, like I said in one of my Death Car videos, if you use Google Lens on these, then you can, in theory, read them. It can be a little bit of a challenge, but you can get there in the end. I didn't pay too much for all of this, really. The only thing that does hurt a little bit is if you do get taxed. It kind of does suck a bit. This where there's no photographs from there. Right, the next one. That's cool. Not a figurine. I like that. A soldier. Be a marked man. Lovely. Beautiful. Right, and let's see what's left. A couple of books. Taken in camp. I've got 3 of these, and I think they're either all the same or they're all just different years. But that's everything in the box, so I hope you enjoyed this. My first unboxing video. Hopefully I'll do some more if you do like this, otherwise I probably won't bother. Or if I do, hopefully the quality and the content will get better over time. Just sort of trying it all out on YouTube, seeing if it's any good. And I hope you do appreciate this. Again, it's all just for historical research and purposes. I'm a bit of a collector, but I do also sell things from time to time. Yeah, so thank you for watching again, and leave a comment if you liked it. Thank you, and goodbye.